regalo. Enorme vice. Tour Simang nos sabay ting un regalo pa giveaway na de televidente lang. Anto nos escoge la Rue Royal pa give out esaki na de musnang. E primeiro regalo de guardanável, não é? E tem caso aqui, me está sentado Manos, que está proprietário de La Rue Royal, que por certo aqui na Palm Beach Plaza, está percurar para o melhor regalo no turmamento. Manos, we are so happy to have you on the show, and we are just visiting your store at this time. Tell us, what is your store? How will you describe La Rue Royal?
Well, we would say Aruba's finest luxury experience, of course, where we're bringing lifestyle of the very highest caliber of the world's most recognized luxury brands, such as our Yadro boutique, we have our Baccarat boutique, Lalique boutique on this side, Christofle, Hermes watches, Halcyon Days enamel bracelets, which Louisa was wearing on stage the other day.
Okay.
Even fragrances like Lalique perfumes, Bentley men's fragrances, and Agraria.
Now, I can notice that you have two different doors. It doesn't happen to all the stores in Aruba. You enter from one side and you go out from the other side, and now we are sitting just like in a living room. You want to create like a home warmth in this case?
Absolutely. Well, you know, it's not only to sell the chandelier or a nice crystal piece, but we really want you to feel it out when you walk into our living environment. And so it's really a lifestyle situation in which we're giving that client a real qualitative shopping experience, where you can really enjoy the luxury before spending whatever you want to spend with us.
Manoj, whenever people are just walking at the Palm Beach Plaza and they see La Rue Royale, they get sometimes like frightened because, wow, it's going to be expensive. Even though I've been personally invited, and I can say you have some great prices here too for everybody.
Yes. Well, you know, one thing is we have to, how do you say, communicate the amazing, the magical feeling of each brand, which is a very expensive route to go. It kind of intimidates a lot of people, but actually, you don't have to spend a lot of money with us to take a little piece of Lalique home with you. We have the fishes from Lalique, which are $90 right now. We have the butterflies by Baccarat, which start at $115. The Costa Boda bricks and atolls are $50 each, and then Agraria with the crystal cane candles are $45.
Yeah.
So it's a really, it's really wonderful, and it's a way to introduce our new customers to our brands.
Well, you see, tonight the first gift is going to be given to somebody, and that's going to be which gift we're going to give to one of our televiewers.
We're going to give to start off the whole event with a good way. We want to start off with the Agraria Air Essence. I think we're doing a lemon verbena in this case.
Aruba prepara para sobre a hora que não nós vai ter esse regalo com abo por gana de caso aqui. Gosto mais especial como abo tá e promete televidente que tu vai ganhar regalo de La Rue Royal. Onde queda? Palm Beach Plaza, ora 30, não mang rechts. Just gewoon 30 dale bocht, 30 que banda sali ay banda. Waki. Tell me what we talking about.
We're talking one of the most luxurious air essences for the home by a company called Agraria. It's made in San Francisco. This actually goes for a retail value of $110. And over here, you can see what's in the box, but it also comes with a mirror tray and some very special sticks, which are actually from a tree in Brazil, which help to extract and diffuse the essence in there. This lemon verbena is good for the sleep and tranquility. So it's mainly put in bedrooms.
All right. When I saw that bottle, I thought it was a bottle of Patron.
Yes, I wish. Maybe after work.
Regalo aqui. Tabay ta dibo, asina ko back for a party comercial.